Aloha, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Purple Souls. In today's video, we will be learning or also we'll be integrating this prayer into our daily practices. How can we integrate this prayer into our daily practices? Let's get into it. Okay, so you can practice this Ho'oponopono anytime. Okay, there is no particular time. Okay, and you can practice it anywhere. Firstly, start by finding a quiet space. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, preferably at least for 3 times, repeating for a count of 7. If you're going to do box breathing, that is even more beneficial. Secondly, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Bring to the mind your a stressful situation and then start repeating these 4 phrases silently. Notice any shifts in your emotions as well. Even if you are getting tears or if you're feeling emotional, feel free and express and allow and embrace all your tears and accept it wholeheartedly. Never suppress any of your emotions. Okay, and this is as easy as a breeze. Whatever I have mentioned here is just the way to do it. Although there are various ways each person follows it. If you want to know how I personally practice this prayer and gain the benefit, do join my programs or group to know more. Next, we will be discussing the power of this prayer in today's modern therapy. In today's world, Ho'oponopono is just not a cultural relic. It is a powerful tool in modern therapy. Therapists and counselors incorporate its principles to help individuals heal their emotional wounds and resolve conflicts. Imagine a therapy session like where instead of delving into the past traumas of the patient, imagine you focus on releasing and forgiving with simple powerful phrases. Just imagine and picture this in your minds, guys. Close your eyes and just think a therapist guiding a client through the 4 phrases of this. I am sorry. They begin very, very, very softly by telling you, please forgive me, and creating a vulnerable space of trust and vulnerability. You need to be very much vulnerable when you are using this prayer, guys. Yes. And I love you. Thank you. The acknowledging the effort and the courage of the client. And I love you, fostering a deep sense of self-compassion and acceptance. The simplicity of Ho'oponopono makes it accessible for anyone, anywhere. Its power lies in its ability to connect us to our deepest emotions and transform them, whether in one on one therapy or through group sessions. Ho'oponopono offers a path to our inner peace and emotional freedom in a world today that often feels chaotic. The ancient wisdom of Ho'oponopono provides a beacon of light and hope for healing us. So, the next time you find yourself in need of emotional healing, remember the power of these 4 phrases. They might be a key to unlocking a more harmonious and balanced life for you. The power of Ho'oponopono in modern therapy is a testament to its timeless wisdom and its ability to bring about a profound transformation. Embrace it, practice it, and let it guide you to a place of forgiveness, gratitude, and love. Thank you, my dear souls, for watching this most important video, which might actually change someone's life today. Or after watching this, do share it with any of your friends or family who might think they might need to watch this. Thank you all once again. In my next video, I will be sharing my personal miracles that I experienced using this magical Ho'oponopono chant. Thank you all. Happy healing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for future updates. Thank you guys. Bye bye.